For user comfort, as well as more compact storage option, the Mopit's handlebars are fully adjustable. To adjust the handlebar height, simply lift up on the quick release lever. The handlebars can be pushed all the way forward for compact storage or laid all the way back for shorter users. They can also be brought into a straight-up position for a tighter turn radius when working in cramped quarters. The general rule of thumb is to position them at waist level. After making the desired adjustment, lock the handlebars in place by pushing the quick release lever back down. If the handlebars aren't tight enough, simply lift up on the quick release lever. Give it a quarter turn clockwise and lock it down again. But the normal position is generally tight enough. Give us a call at 1-800-290-2833 or email us at mopit@mopit.com if you have any servicing or other questions about your Mopit. Thanks for being a Mopit customer.